IPFire versus OPNsense versus pfSense. Flexible firewall versus user-friendly security versus enterprise networking. So choosing the right open source file and a routing platform can define the security, flexibility, and performance of your network. IPFire, OPNsense, and pfSense each bringing a unique approach. One focus on modular flexibility, another on usability with strong features, and the last on proven enterprise grade networking. So now let's go ahead and dive in and compare them side by side. Alright, first we got is IPFire. So this is a Linux-based file distribution designed for flexibility and modularity. It offers stateful packet inspection, VPN intrusion detection, traffic shaping, and content filtering. Its modular add-on system lets you extend functionality as needed, making a great fit for both home and business use. OPNsense is a free BSD-based firewall and routing platform known for its user-friendly web interface and frequent updates. It offers advanced firewall rules, VPN support, intrusion detection and prevention, and traffic analytics. Designed for both pros and beginners, it blends enterprise features with approachable usability. Now, last we got is pfSense. So this is a widely trusted free BSD-based firewall and routing platform used in home, business, and enterprise environments. It provides advanced security features like stateful packet filtering, VPN, load balancing, and traffic shaping with a strong focus on reliability and professional grade capabilities. Alright, so a quick summary of this feature showdown table. So IPFire stands out for its modular design and flexibility, making it ideal for those who want to customize their firewall to specific needs. OPNsense combines strong security features with an easy to use interface and frequent updates, appealing to a wide range of users. pfSense remains a benchmark for enterprise-grade file and routing, offering deep control and proven stability. Now, my final thoughts. So go for IPFire for a modular, flexible, and Linux-based customization. OPNsense for enterprise-class features with a user-friendly interface, or opt for pfSense for robust, professional-grade firewall and routing solutions.